We're at somewhere on the north rim, the Grand Canyon. Today is June the 13th, 2021. We're waiting for sunrise. Sunrise is coming up out there. We're waiting for it to shine down here on this window that's right over here. It's an opening in the rocks here. So waiting on it as it starts to hit that. So hopefully I got enough battery power left. So I left my other batteries in the van. My mistake. Well, the sun has now started to come up and it's kind of filling in over here, but it's not lighting up the opening yet. But we're still waiting for it here, so maybe it will happen. I don't know. And if you look through the hole, you'll see a little bit, very narrow, but that's the Colorado River down there. So, but waiting for the sun to hit that spot could take another half hour or something. We don't know here. Sun's only over to this part now, but the sun's getting pretty high up on the left over here. Okay. Pathway to that point above that little triangle. There's like a little lookout post there, so we're gonna go around there and have a look-see, see if there's anything to see. Although the sun's gonna be in my eyes the whole time, but you never know. The sun's out there coming up, and there's where we're going, right to the top of that. Okay. There's another view as we get closer here. I'm trying to keep the sun out of there, but a little hard to see, So we want to go to Angel's Window. Let's go up here, have a look. We're on top of that Angel's Window, but the sunlight's making it tough to get a good shot here because the sun is still coming up, but we're right on top of it here, and I'm right on the edge. I mean, in life I'm on the edge, but now I'm really on the edge here. So there it is coming back. I watched my step. A lot of chunky rocks here. And there's where we were standing earlier, somewhere over there. I think we were standing over there at that point, waiting for the sun to come up here. But now we were down here. Hope these rocks hold. I don't know. But we're right on top of it here. Okay. So we're right on top of that Angel's Window as we walk here. And we're going to walk around, take a look at the other side here. We got a little tree growing up out at the top here, but right on top of it here. The window is underneath of us. So I'll take a look down on this side here. So I watch my step. Going here. Oh, another edge here. Very scary. Very scary. Hope these fences hold here, because we're going to come. I'm going to put my arm on it here and see if we can look down here. Let me see. There we're looking down. Scary, scary. Look at that, looking down there. Oh boy. You get a little nervous here. You get a little nervous. North rim of the Grand Canyon. I think I'll be backing off from the edge here. Yeah. Alright. Come over this side. And you can look down over this side here too. And have a look here. Oh boy. Okay. Get another view right here by the Angel's Window. This is the part where the window is open. I don't know if you can see it down there. Probably not. But the narrow section as we go here, it's very narrow here. So this is where the opening is, and we're walking right on top of it here. We'll come over a little bit. Take another look down there so you can see down the bottom down there. All right. Okay. Get back up here. Walk back up here a little further here. All right. And we're back on top here. Looking through the trees over there. Yeah, I can't tell what section we were standing at over there. We were out there or over there. It's hard to tell. I don't know, but got a tree here. Sun's coming up on the other side, so tree is blocking it. It's actually over here. And I'm going to walk back and see if there's more light coming through the Angel's opening. So, North Rim, Grand Canyon here. Here we go. Well, can't see it very well here, but because it's very early morning, but we're at the Cape Point lookout, the very end up here. So let's go have a look. This is the lookout point. We got a place to walk around here. Somebody taking photos there. Sun's coming up to our left over there. Still early morning. See a shadow over there. Yeah, come down here and take a look over here. You can see some down in the canyon, but still pretty dark down here. So it won't show up well in the video, but nicely lit down here, a couple spots. Yeah, I'll come back over here. We'll look up the other end, and still in darkness, a lot of it there. But nice and quiet and still. It's not really cold here this morning. It's actually quite pleasant. And here we go, telling you about the North Rim versus the South Rim here. You can stop the vid if you'd like to read all of that. And shows you how much here. Well, we get 12 feet of snow in the North Rim. South Rim gets 5 feet of snowfall. And you are here. There's where we are, right there. Okay, come back up here. And we're still at that North Point here. And sun hasn't reached over here yet, but you can at least see some more rocks down there. But we're going to start heading back. There's the sun up there coming right into our eyes. So we're going to walk back up here, back onto the trail, and say our farewells to the point there. Heading back. I think it's time to get a cup of coffee now. Go pretty good. So back on this trail. Nice and quiet here. Nice sound. Very pleasant morning. Pretty much only our group is here. I see one or two, maybe 3 other people that showed up. But it's a good 45-minute drive from where our hotel is, the North Rim. A couple more lookouts here. Sun will be out there. All right. Oh, we got Mr. Crow there. There's Mr. Crow. He's coming in here. I don't know if I can get him. Yeah, there's the crow. Right over there. He's got a nut or something or a bug. There he is. Yep. That's the crow. I guess it's a crow or a raven. Maybe he's a raven. Trying to get the sun in back of me here before he flies off. He's got like a nut. There he goes. He's hopping away. He's got some kind of, I don't know what that is. A baby lizard or something in his mouth. But he's right underneath that tree there. See if he's going to, there he goes, back in the tree. It's just another look at the window, which is right over there. And this is a little bit later in the morning here, but still got a nice view along the road here. Looking out over Grand Canyon. We're on the North Rim here, so there you go. A nice little look down here. There's a couple other little openings, little holes you can see up in the rocks up in there, very hard. But here's the main one. We're just at a little different perspective here. And yeah, stopped along the road for another last look. And we're at the, I think they said the northernmost point of the North Rim. Not sure, but turn around here. There's the road right up there. And there's our trusty Nat Hab bands, which I guess I better work my way back.